Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I am back with another haul video. I have got some really beautiful tops and dresses from Myntra which are super cute, affordable, comfortable and perfect for literally every mood. Firstly, I'll show you some dresses and then I will show you some tops which are really beautiful and super excited to share it with you all. So without any delay, let's start the video. Let's start with the first dress, which is this very beautiful white color fit and flare dress which is in small size. And let me tell you, every outfit in this haul is in small size. So yeah, let's talk about this dress. I really love the color of this dress. This is such a clean girl aesthetic piece. It comes in round neck and this is the back of this dress. You will get this to tie at the back. It comes in sleeveless pattern and it is made of cotton fabric, so it is super comfy. Print भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. This pink color print is popping up so beautifully and the knee length cut makes it very elegant yet casual. You can literally style this in so many ways. Wear it with sneakers for casual look or heels for something dressy. नीचे आपको ये फ्रिल डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगी, मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया है and I got it for ₹666 only. This is really a must have. अगर आप ड्रेसेस पहनते हो तो आपको ये ज़रूर लेना चाहिए. It is very comfortable and very good quality. So yeah, that is all for this dress. Now let's move to our next dress, which is this brown strappy mini dress with cargo pocket and I got it just for ₹527. What a steal deal. First of all, it has pocket and बस ये डिज़ाइन के लिए नहीं है. It is proper utility pockets and it comes in strappy pattern. It has shoulder strap and पीछे आपको ये elastic मिल जाएगा which makes it very comfortable to wear and it is very breathable, very lightweight and very good quality. This dress is perfect if you are going for that cool street style aesthetic. Pair it with chunky sneakers and a sling bag and you are good to go. It is such a good piece. I really love this one. So now let's move to our next dress, which is this very pretty orange floral printed dress and I got it for ₹557 only. It has a round neck and adorable puff sleeves which gives such a soft feminine vibe. This is the print going all over the dress which makes it very cute and it has this stretchable thing over here, so it makes it very comfortable to wear. Honestly, when I wore this, I felt very fresh, summery and effortless. Pair it with white sneakers or flats and you're good to go. Color is also very summer appropriate. Yeah, that is all for this dress. Now let's move to our next dress. Next up we have this light green color dress. This dress is giving classy girl energy and I got it for ₹867 only. Let me show you the whole dress. You will get square neck and it comes in sleeveless pattern. You will get a side chain also, so it's very comfortable to wear. And what I love about this dress is the structured A-line fit. It will hug you at the top and flows beautifully down. It's super flattering on literally every body type. And talking about the quality of this dress, the quality is 10 on 10. I really love the color of this dress. This is very soothing color and this is really a very good purchase. I will definitely recommend you all to get this one. Now let's move to the last dress of this video and it is this dress which I'm already wearing. It is this blue floral printed fit and flare dress which I got it for ₹1319. It has round neck and beautiful long flared sleeves with a cute tie-up detail at the back and I really love the sleeves. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy breezy सा ड्रेस है and the material is pure cotton which is lightweight and breathable and I really love the print going all over the dress. Look at this, how beautiful print this is. कितना fresh लग रहा है. I mostly prefer to wear light colors in summer season and ये color मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. ये ड्रेस आपका नी लेंथ तक आता है and it is so flowy, easy breezy सा बहुत ही सुंदर लगा मुझे. I really love the fit, the quality, the fabric and the tie-up detail at the back और मुझे sleeves पे ये lace detailing भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट सा ड्रेस है. मुझे इसे पहनने के बाद आई वॉज फीलिंग लाइक मैं ट्वेल करती रहूँ पूरे टाइम. यू कैन पेयर दिस ड्रेस विद स्नीकर्स और फ्लैट्स और इवन हील्स. ये समर्स के लिए मस्ट हैव है. पूरे समर इस ड्रेस को पहन के निकाल सकती हूँ. ये इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. दिस ड्रेस इज परफेक्ट फॉर वेकेशन और डे आउटिंग. सो या दैट इज ऑल फॉर दिस ड्रेस. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली मूव टू द top section. I will just show you the 3 tops which I got from Myntra. So the first one is this black peplum top and this top is such a wardrobe essential and I got it for ₹467 only. Now let's talk about the neckline. It has this sweetheart neck and you will get this strappy sleeves, and this is not that plain black top. इसमें आपको ये textured detailing मिल जाएगी पूरे टॉप में, and since it is in peplum pattern, ये बहुत ही अच्छा fit देता है पहनने के बाद, and you can never go wrong with a black top. It is giving such a polished and elegant look. You can literally wear this for casual outing or dress it up for dinner night. It is such a versatile top, and if you are thinking of adding a black top in your wardrobe, I think you should definitely get this one. I'm sure you're going to love this. So yeah, let's move to the next top. Next up we have this white color halter neck top, which I got it for rupees 453 only. I think I just love halter neck tops. मेरे पास ये black color का था and I was dying to get it in white color and I finally got it. I personally feel halter neck looks very flattering on all body type. It is not see-through, so quality बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है. It really fits me so well. I really love this one. I think you should definitely get this one. Now let's move to the last product of this haul, which is this very pretty butter yellow peplum top. First of all, the color bright, happy and sunshine vibe. I was looking for a butter yellow top for a very long time and I finally got this one, and I got it for rupees 549 only. You will get a square neck and नीचे आपको elastic मिल जाएगा, which makes it very comfortable to wear, and नीचे आपको ये balloon detailing मिल जाएगी, and this is so cute. Another cute thing, it has this tie-up detailing at the sleeves. मैंने इसे ब्लू जीन्स के साथ पेयर किया था, लेकिन अगर आप इसे वाइट पैंट के साथ भी पेयर करते हो तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी लगेगा। वाइट के साथ ये बटर येलो बहुत ही अच्छा पॉपअप कलर आता है। दिस टॉप इज लिटरली स्क्रीमिंग समर। बहुत ही अच्छी टॉप है ये, एंड द क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड। So if you are looking for a cute top, you should definitely get this one. And literally इस हॉल के सारे ही टॉप एंड ड्रेसेस मुझे बहुत पसंद आए हैं। अगर मैं टॉप के लिए बोलूँ तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई फेवरेट, एंड ड्रेस के लिए दिस ड्रेस विच आई एम वेयरिंग. So yeah, that is all for today's video. And if you want any of the link, अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ भी परचेज करना हो, I will attach all the links in my description box. आप वहाँ जाके इसका लिंक चेक कर सकते हैं and you can get it for yourself. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you loved my video, and if you loved my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.